Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Robinhood. First, open your Robinhood app and navigate to the Transfers tab. Select Deposit and then choose Apple Pay as your funding method. You'll need to confirm the amount you wish to deposit. This method offers a fast and secure way to add funds, allowing you to invest without delay. It's a convenient option for quick transactions. Once you've selected Apple Pay, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to deposit. For instance, you could deposit $500 directly into your account. Confirm the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, just as you would with any other Apple Pay purchase. The funds typically appear in your Robinhood account almost instantly, making it very efficient for timely investments. Keep in mind that there might be daily deposit limits when using Apple Pay, often around $1,000. Always ensure your linked bank account has sufficient funds to cover your deposit. Apple Pay deposits are primarily for funding your Robinhood account, not for direct stock purchases. Once the funds are in your account, you can then use them to buy stocks, options, or cryptocurrencies. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your Robinhood app and your iOS are fully updated. Also, double-check your Apple Pay settings to confirm your preferred payment method is correctly linked. Sometimes, a quick restart of your device can resolve minor glitches. For a seamless experience, always keep your software current. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless effortlessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.